Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're doing 2 videos in one, okay? First video is diagnosing a slow leak in your tire, okay? Most people are like, oh, I can do that, blah, blah, blah. Let's show you number 1 trick, Windex. And for if you're like me and broke,
Walmart.
Great Value Glass Cleaner, same thing, okay? So what you want to do, squirt everywhere. And they're like, man, I don't know where. I don't have to squirt everywhere right now. The reason you're using this, these bubbles, bubble big time, more than soap, more than spit, more than anything. But here's what I'm using it for, okay? I already found it before the video. Okay? Can you tell in the video?
Mm-hmm.
See it bubbling up? This is a very slow leak. I'm talking like, it's been since September, and I found it then, I just didn't want to deal with it. But now I'm fixing it because it's been getting like every 2 days now I'm having to refill it, where it was going, what, 2 weeks or more? So, which is dangerous because it's a valve stem. It could easily like snapped off, especially me filling it every day. Look. I don't have to spray it again. It's just fun to watch it bubble. See it? See them bubbles popping? But, you know, I just didn't want to do it. So I'm going to show you an easy way to replace a valve stem. I have one change tire. Check that one. That's where I use a high lift type jack. And I put it on the trailer, use the weight, boom. You can let the air out and run your car up on this, but sometimes when you do that and drive up on them, the rim flips and bings up the bottom of your car. So I don't do that. But I'm gonna show you what I got right here. This is the Harbor Freight anti-tire majigger. Whatever they call it, thingamabobber. It is manual tire remover. There we go. Okay, get it like this, get it like that. Grab this is what I use when I do it because it locks in place. Bring it around, kind of. Okay, so I use my tire. You can use your keys. You have to let the pressure out to get the tire unseated, okay? So you can but then you gotta sit there forever, right? So, see, and look, when I lean it, see how big the bubble is now? See how quick it bubbled? It bubbled quickly. Whoop! Look, see it? As it's about to go, it's got a tear. So what I do, let me show, hold on, let me show. My tire pressure gauge and filler, it locks in place. So I go like this, and you have to squeeze the trigger, and you see?
It's stinky.
Give my face.
Ew.
Okay.
Gross.
Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna pop this. You do not need to remove the rim all the way for a valve stem. Alright. You're gonna break the seal.
Do you need soap? There's way too much air in there still.
I'm helping it. You know, hear the pressure going harder? Hear it? You can tell, right?
Dang.
It does sting. Alright, we're gonna pause it for just a minute.
Okay.
Alright everybody, so you get that air pretty low, and then you just take this here. Sometimes I put soap, but I think it's warm enough out that I'm not going to have to do that. Keep this going. It's out. Okay.
I see your feet.
Are you video?
Socks and sandals, yes.
Okay.
Socks with sandals.
Yeah, no, got it. Okay, it's going to pop.
I'm trying to help. It smells so bad.
It does. It's a tire.
Come on. Let's go when it's just slow.
That's how it always is. Slow is better. You're not tearing it. And then I try to take it. Sometimes move it.
Here's what she proclaimed.
Sometimes moving it just a little over from where you just were makes it go. There you go.
Ew. I like the cure
Thanks for the sound effects, y'all.
The cure for Rona is in there.
Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
It's a dusty.
It's a tire, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we got that done. I knew it was going to be bad.
You're going to probably need soap to pull the thing through, don't you?
What?
You need soap.
Possibly to put the new one in. So what you're going to do here now, you're going to take this guy here. And you are going to jam it down like that.
regular like tire iron would work too.
Both kinds, anything you want. Okay, but this guy's got this. So I'm gonna put that in there, see? It's gonna hold it for me. And then, be right back.
Okay.
All right, back. So sometimes this is enough. It's not today. Channellocks in there. Get a good squeeze on it, or a vice grip.
Just pulling off the nose.
What? That's what I'm trying to do. It'll go either way then. Okay, there you go. Break it through. Check your old. Oops, do not go in the tire. Alright, and
It's all
I don't know, I'm just seeing if we can.
cracked up now.
I'm seeing if we can see what the leak was.
What the heck? Why won't it focus?
You can't see the leak, so it was a small
It won't
hole.
focus.
You can't see the leak in there. It was a small hole, guys. So we're gonna put those new valve stumps over here. Over there. Over where? Pause it.
Okay.
Everybody's gonna be different. This is a Dodge Ram. These are 2-inch long, 453 rim hole.
Hold
Okay,
it still.
.453 rim hole. There's a 387 or something and something else. Okay, there are 3 sizes that are normal. Okay, I'm switching out with a little bigger one because, as you saw, that one barrel stuck out. I like them there a little better, but when they stick out too big, sometimes they get whacked off. No, but yes, they could get torn, like by stuff hitting a curb or something like that. So if you're doing that, don't hit a curb. Same thing I'm doing. I know I'm having trouble all of a sudden. That was fine before. We're good. Okay. Just like this. Where'd I put that soap at? Grab it real quick. Nope, what are you doing? On here.
What are you doing?
Stop. 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 I don't need 17 tons of soap.
Yes, you do.
Alright guys, so since I did buy the longer one, I have to be a little more careful when putting it in because of how it was, the angle. Okay.
Need to pull it.
Yeah, you gotta gently pull, Kylie. Gently pull up on that. Got it? Tell me when you got it. And then I'm just gonna put the hammer's handle right up on it when she pulls gently. And don't touch it. What are you doing?
I'm trying to pull.
Look at me. Look at me. Gently pull straight out. Gently. Okay. There we go. Hold on.
I can't see.
That's all right.
My hand's in the way.
That's why you use the soap. If not, you're gonna tear it. Almost in. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Gentle, gentle, gentle. When you're ready, gentle. Okay, guys. You want the soap? Look at me. You try to do that without the soap, you're tearing it and you're gonna get more leaks, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to reset the tire on the rim. This is the fun part, okay?
Fire.
Go get my boots, please. Everybody. Star and fluid. Miracle Maker. This is the fun part. sometimes I don't need my boots, but wear some steel toes just in case. Yep, it did it. It sealed itself.
Did it?
Yep. I wanted to kick it. Okay. Well, that was kind of fun. Usually it goes woof, kind of pops.
No, it didn't go.
No, it's not. It
It
fell
didn't
down.
Did
go.
I lose it?
Yep.
No, it didn't.
Yes,
Watch
it
this.
did.
Pause it. I should have told you have your air ready. Sometimes it will sag back down and lose the seat. And then let's see. Yep, we're good. Gonna fill up with air and then it's gonna go boop boop.
It's going. It's just slow. It was very anticlimactic.
What?
I wanted it to make a little, the floopy sound.
Like that? But loud. So that little boop, usually it'll do that when it does the gas.
But it makes a louder sound than
Wow.
that.
Sometimes it lifts the tire. We didn't get that today. I'm sorry, folks. I'm sorry. If you want, I'll deflate it and try again
No.
for the guys. Turn off the air compressor.
Okay.
Let's double check our work because we did pull up on it. You always got to be careful that you could. Oh, we had a
I have more in there.
Windex that wasn't empty.
I have a refill bottle.
Just sport Bill.
It looks like it's bubbling up. It's not. That's this bubbling running down. As you can see, we got no leak. No new bubbles.
Put it on the whole seed. Seal the
What?
sure that you got it done.
I got it good. Don't tell me.
Did I get this cap? Yep.
Yeah, grab. Okay. Nothing. We didn't have a leak here though.
No,
But
I wasn't saying the back side.
you guys can
You
do
didn't
this
pull
too.
that.
You can check the front and back with, like I'm doing now before too, just to see if you can't find your leak. It can happen in here, but 90% of the time it's not your valve stem. You got something in your tire. Okay. Let's double check my tire. Could be a valve stem and something else leaking, but it was the valve stem. All the way around. Nothing. All right. So there we go. That's how you diagnose a hole, a leak, and replace the valve stem without having to fully remove the tire. You know. Hope you got some of that stuff. You can use it, get it done. I don't know. I'll put a link to some starting fluid or something. Some matches. I don't know. Valve stems. Maybe you need that valve stem exactly. Buy it. I'll make like 5-10 cents. Help me, help you, help me. You know? If you like it, please like, subscribe. It helps our times. And as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye-bye.